In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your theme on WordPress. If I go to my website, testinghowto.com, this is the website. As you can see, this is the default theme that WordPress provides. This theme is, in my opinion, very basic and actually a little bit ugly. So I want to change it to a different theme. If you also want to change your WordPress website to a different theme, you have to keep watching because I'm going to explain how to. So you want to go to your dashboard just like this. Then you want to go to Appearance up here. And as you can see, here is a Themes section. So you want to go to the Themes section. And here are 4 themes that are provided with your website. So if you want to add one of these, just hit activate and you can see it by hit live preview. But I want to add a new one, and then you have to go up here to add a new theme. So click add new, and now you can choose any theme you want. So if you want a beauty and spa theme, you can use this one. Magazine art, you can use this one. It's basically there are a lot. You can this is the feature tab, but you can also see popular, latest, and just choose what you want. So for example, I want a Hestia theme. You can preview it by hitting this button. This looks pretty cool actually. I think this will do alright on my website. Then you can hit install, and now it's installing the WordPress theme. So I'll be back when it's done. Now it's done, and now you can activate the theme by hit the activate button. Just press once, and now it's going to activate as an active theme. As you can see, the Hestia theme is active. So when we go back to our site, testing how to, it changed to this theme. I like this theme pretty a lot, so I'm going to use this for the rest of my website. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.